So here's how you can manually add eSIM to the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. So what you would probably need to do is to open up your settings app. Obviously make sure that your iPhone supports eSIM, but that is very likely the case. But inside of the settings, you can find the cellular and tap on the setup cellular button. So this lets you use and try to make the eSIM work, so you can transfer it from nearby iPhone, from Android, or use QR code, which are all like automatic options. However, if you prefer the manual approach, you still have to click on a scan QR code, click on a scan again, and at the bottom, you're not going to point at the camera at any code, but at the bottom, click the enter details manually. So you go there and you can see that we can type in the address, activation code, and confirmation code. So that would be the manual approach, right? So obviously you need to have the information and the text ready to make sure it works. But yeah, that is by far the best way to do it if you don't have the QR code or any other device to transfer it from. So it's pretty much just that, and this is what you need to type in, and after a verification process, it should work and you should have a proper eSIM ready. So let me know if you manage to find it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.